Hello, today I want to show you how we can create a table in Microsoft Excel to our research or article. Let's do it. Now we have to open another Excel sheet, zoom in, and I need to select it for column and for row. Okay. Then from here, font and more borders, you can bring this border to the bottom and this one to the up. Also this scene one in the middle. Okay. Also I want another thick layer, a thick line in the above layer, above row, as you see. Okay. Now I want to select it all and center. I select center. Now if I write, everything will be or locate in a center. Name, well, number 1, 2, 3. Here I need discharge. Symbol is Q. Unit, liter per minute. For example, 300 liter per minute, 350, 400. Drawdown. D belong to drawdown, and I also want to subscribe it. Okay. In 40 minutes. Okay. Unit is meter for drawdown. Control copy, Control V. Now we have to expand this column, also this one, also this one. Good. Just I want to change this 40 to 80. I have 2 times, I measure 2 times the drawdown. For example, in 40 minutes, in the well one, 2 meter, we have drawdown. For this one, let be 2.5 meter. For this one, let be 3 meter. But during water extraction for 80 minutes, let be 3. Sometimes this happen. You can change the cells to number, format cell. Number. Okay. Now this one 3.5. Let be 4. Okay. Now I want to make the background white. This line is not appear. Just from this border, more border, fill, white. Okay. You see, we have a very attractive table. Now we have a very attractive table to put in your article or your research. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.